Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Hyundai Bluelink device settings before phone upgrade. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Hyundai Bluelink app is updated to the latest version. Open the Hyundai Bluelink app on your smartphone. Sign into your Hyundai Bluelink account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section within the app. Look for the option labeled Backup Settings or Backup Device. Tap on this option to access the backup features. Next, choose the settings that you wish to back up. Confirm your selection by tapping the Confirm or Backup button. Wait for the app to process the backup. Once completed, you will receive a notification indicating that your settings have been successfully backed up. Take note of any additional instructions or tips provided in the notification. Now, proceed with upgrading your phone. After the upgrade is complete, download the Hyundai Bluelink app again. Sign in with the same account credentials. Upon signing in, you will see an option to restore your backed up settings. Select this option to begin the restoration process. Confirm your preferences and settings to finalize the restoration. Wait for the app to restore your settings. Once the process is complete, check to ensure all your settings are restored accurately. You are now ready to use your Hyundai Bluelink app with your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.